Hello YouTube, Chashtech is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a Windows update error 0x80073701 error, which is a Windows update failed to install error. So to solve this problem, we are going to see two solutions, and these solutions will work for all Windows operating system. So stay tuned until the end of the video. Let's start from solution number one. So solution number one would be click here the search icon and type here setting. Here the settings. Under the settings you will find system and scroll down and you will find troubleshoot. If you are under the Windows 10, you can click on the search icon and simply type here troubleshoot. Here the troubleshoot setting, then open it. So it directly leads you to the troubleshoot page. So select here other troubleshooters option. Then you will find Windows Update option. So select Run. If you cannot find under Windows 10 Run, just click on it and it will show you the Run option. So select Run. And it will start detecting a problem related with your Windows Update. So wait patiently until the detecting process will be completed. So here the troubleshooting has completed. Then here click Close and close the setting and restart your computer. So after the restart, then check whether the Windows Update error is solved or not. So click the search icon and type here Windows Update. Here the Windows Update setting, then open it and click here check for updates. So it's checking for updates. So wait patiently until check for update will be completed. So as you can see here in my case, the error is solved, update available, and security intelligence update for Microsoft Defender antivirus is downloading. So in your case, if the error is still occurring, then we are going to use the second solution, which is using some commands to check your system. So in order to do that, click here the search icon and type here cmd, and here the command prompt, right click on it and select here run as administrator and confirm by selecting yes. So here the cmd opened. Then here I have some commands that I'm going to put them under the description box, which is you can find the link there. So first let us use this sfc scan. So copy this command, copy, then here on the top right click on it and go here edit, then click here paste and press enter. This may take some time, which is it makes a system scan. So just wait patiently until the system scan will be completed. The SFC scan now, or the system scan, completed 100%, and it says Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations in my case. In your case, you may find different end results. Just proceed to the next step, which is use the second command, this one. So copy this command and go here on the top of the cmd, right click on it and select edit, then click paste and press enter. So it will start diagnosing the restore health process. Like this, the sfc scan or the system scan, it may take some time. Wait patiently until it will finish the restore health process. Here the restore health process is completed 100%. The operation completed successfully. Then after that, type exit and press enter. Then the cmd closed and restart your computer. After the restart, check whether the Windows Update error still continues or not by checking your Windows Update. So these are the solution to fix your Windows Update error. I hope this video will help you. So please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chashtech out.